weather is really great today to take a Milford Sound cruise through the fjords of New Zealand and observe the mountain peaks. There's a boat coming in, could be ours. Yeah, I think it is the Milford Monarch. Are coming on the boat now. I think it can fit like 200 people. People waiting to get on the boat, and that's another boat over there. Scenic flight tours here with little planes and helicopters. And at the end of the boat trip you come to the Tasmanian Sea, right there, open sea.
Kilometres in the distance, we would arrive on the southeastern coast of Australia.
expect now. We entering the bay again, and yeah, some nice views here doing this Milford Sound. I was really lucky with the weather today, because sometimes it gets foggy here, you don't see anything. So really lucky with the views and the blue sky.
Personal, and you get some of the spray on your face, you'll notice it's very refreshing.
Nice waterfalls. Like we had today, because it was magnificent. So I just came from the upper deck to the first deck, and there's also a cafeteria around here. Where you can have some snacks and coffee, and then have a view on the fjords of New Zealand. Also go downstairs, see what they have here. They're selling some snacks, potato chips, another sitting area. So if you want to sit in the warm, then you come inside, because outside on the deck it can be really cold and chilly. So I'm here now to warm up a little bit.
Hope you enjoyed pleasant conditions in the fjord this afternoon and the little peak.
We are back from where we started. So this was the Milford Sound boat trip. So the place I'm standing now is Lake Di Capo, and this is how it really looks like. Should be more blue, but it's a little bit hazy with the fog. There's the famous church or chapel, also in the mist, in the fog, but nice mirror image in the water. Here you can see that the water is really blue. But you have to use your imagination a little bit. So I'm not gonna go back to New Zealand again to see this lake in better conditions. So this is the weather we get in today. Fog. You have to do it with this. You have to do it with these images of this beautiful lake. And this is the old road bridge I'm walking on. My view on the chapel and Lake Di Capo. This is the other side. Look how blue turquoise this water is. So I arrived at the Church of the Good Shepherd. Normally you have a nice view of the lake just behind it, but today we have a cloud as background. Huge cloud. And here we have the statue of the dog shepherd looking over the chapel over there and looking over the lake. So the dog is a collie dog. Yeah, they are used to keep sheep together, to keep the herd together. Okay, so let's leave the dog alone and continue our way to the other viewpoint. Lake Tekapo. It is clearing up a bit over there. There's a whole line over there with Chinese tourists to have their picture taken with this little church. A little bit idyllic, so I get it, but I think there's more churches in Europe like this. It looks more like a chapel than a church.